Here's our science experiment.
The same one.
This is take 2. She doesn't know about take 1. Okay. We're going to be having a snowstorm in a jar. So go ahead, throw in the snow. Okay, thank you. And now we need some oil. Hold on, we need oil first. Okay. Okay. Dump the oil in.
Put the oil in?
Yes, please. All right. Now drop in the tablets and let's see what happens.
Stuff is happening. Wow.
It's making a snowstorm. Yay! Bum, 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 bum.
Ooh.
Sounds like it's snowing hard in there. It's getting louder.
Can you see the snow going up?
Down.
Can you see it going up and down? I can't really. I hear it at the top.
Dolly, can you see it?
I don't think I can see it.
Maybe. What will we do?
Okay. Well, back it up, dude. That's totally blurry. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now it's going. I saw some. There we go.
Don't see our whole house.
Who knows what our whole house looks like?
Goofball.
Let's back it up. There we go. There's the snow. See the snow now? It's dancing in there.
I don't think you can see it.
What?
Pretty cool.
Yes, bye.